Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the shift lock release on the gear lever. Now the shift lock is there as a safety feature whereby if the engine is running and there's not a driver in the car, the shifter cannot actually be moved into drive, neutral or reverse. So therefore a child or another person can't accidentally knock that into reverse and get the car moving until there's a driver in the position with their foot on the brake, and then you can actually move it into the position. However, if the shift lock becomes faulty or you need to tow the car, you need to operate the shift lock release. So to do this, we're going to use our key or a flat object like a screwdriver, but if you're using the key, just on the back there's a little lever, pull that down and that allows you to remove this part of the key. So now on the right hand side of the shifter, you'll actually notice it's got drive, neutral, reverse, park position. Above that is a small square cover. We're going to put our flat object into the right hand side of that and just remove that like that. Now that will allow us to get our key or flat object and push straight down into the hole, and that will actually allow us to move the shifter into the neutral position. Once you've got the steering lock off, you can now obviously tow the car to wherever you need to go, and then when you get there, push that into the park position and that already operate the shift lock again until a time something's pushed back in the hole and you can move it back to the neutral position. Once you're finished completely, push that up to the park position, get your plastic cover, pop that back in, and then that is how to operate the shift lock on a Mazda 3 from 2015. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.